Baby bloom.
Hi kids, today, we will learn about the importance of our wonderful homes. So kids, there are different types and sizes of houses in our communities all over the world. People from around the world build their homes differently, depending on the climate where they live. Different countries in the world have different climates, therefore they built their homes according to that. Our houses protect us from heat, rain, cold, and snow. They are our savior and protector all year long. Many years ago, people used to live in caves. Then people started living in huts made up of branches and tree leaves. But huts didn't protect people from heavy rain and harsh weather conditions. So they made houses with stone and mud. Nowadays people build houses with concrete, as they are much stronger. Some other essential materials we use to build houses include wood, bricks, iron and steel, and glass. Some of the community helpers who help us build a house are architects, plumbers, carpenters, and electricians. So kids, tell me, what is your home like? I hope you have gained good knowledge today. I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.